if y'all got into it with a bear and tried to do a mambo, who would survive? Who would have a better shot?
As long as the bear didn't come at me from behind, I think I'd be good.
I'm from upstate New York. I could probably roll with that bear. I'd offer him some food other than meat.
Yeah, right.
I think in Leonard's mind, he's probably one of those guys that's like, you know what? If you see me and the bear in the woods having a fight, help the bear. At least in his mind, he thinks that's where he's at with it.
Well, in real life, you would definitely win if it had dancing. I did not know that you were a dancer with Madonna back in the day.
Well, I didn't.
Did you know? Well, you know that.
I did know that. He can throw some
I did not
shapes.
technically dance with Madonna because, you know, that was that's not an easy title to have to be one of Madonna's dancers. She only picked the best, and I was a complete and utter. Like, I consider myself a hack in the dance world, but I did appear in one of her music videos.
That's cool.
As one of her featured extras, so it's a
That
difference between
counts.
dancing.
In a Madonna video, come on. Like, my little-known hidden facts are nowhere near as cool, but I want to know one from you. You've been here so many times. Is there something we don't know about you?
There's a lot of things. I used to work in a morgue.
No.
Check that out, yeah.
Shut the door.
Yeah. When I was 17 years old.
I was about the pig thing.
I was a pig farmer. I was really good at piglet castration.
Wow.
Yeah. I grew up in the countryside.
Talk
What do you
about
want?
a hit
That's what I did.
So if y'all need your livestock castrated,
you know who to come to.
James is your man. What did you do in the mortuary?
I prepared bodies for. Even as I say it to you, Rach, I really, honestly, I say it to people. And I go, was that really me? Did I really? You know how you do a job when you're a youngster, sometimes, and then you look back at it years and years later and go, no.
Not many of us drained corpses.
And you wonder how he got prepped for the following, huh?
It was very useful.
You were perfect for the following.
When I was doing the following, I'd say, no. When the knife goes in, it doesn't actually go in quite. I think, how do you know? And I go, because I've done that.
Because been there, done that. That's awesome. I love knowing that.
Yeah.
I love that. So, BB says that you guys are foodies. Now, foodies can mean one of two things. That you like to take pictures of your food when you buy it from other people, or you actually like to prepare food.
Oh, no, we cook.
We both cook.
Yeah.
We cook.
Are you competitive?
Incredible food.
No, we're not competitive, but I do enjoy his meals sometimes. When he feels like on the set, on the road in Atlanta, he'll invite everybody over and he'll do something.
I'm terrible, and I go into Crafty, the people who make the food on the set, and I go, can we do this tomorrow? Can we make this? Can we make that? I'll buy all the food for it. Let's cook this tomorrow. I will then spend the night and the day with them cooking it.
Oh, I love that, though.
Love doing that.
I love that. Do you guys have specialties, or?
I've been into recently a short rib ragu with pappardelle.
That's my baby.
Have I just got you? Yeah.
You got me.
Nice.
Brooklyn? In the house?
I'm from the Caribbean. I'm a curry chicken.
Oh, me too. Curry chicken, curry goat, curry anything.
Yeah. So what I had for lunch today was mutton. We call it mutton in the Bahamas.
Mutton? Really?
In the Bahamas.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.